Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package from the Planner's World and I have opened it already, but I wanted to share it with you because it was adorable. Everything in it I love. It was a great Happy Mail day for me, and it started with even just this little washi. Isn't that cute? I might even have to see if I can find some of that on their site because I am loving it. I'm going to add it to my little stand here, so maybe I can use it in something in the future. And then I got a little note on this adorable little post-it. It says, "Thank you so much for your order. I added a few little extras for you. I hope you love everything. Hugs and kisses, Sue." And I am going to have to check and see if they have any of those because I love those too. And everything came packaged in cute little the Planner World, and it has a little sloth as their little symbol. Isn't that just adorable? I love it all. I'm not kidding. So I'm going to show you this first. This is a pencil pouch, and it has one of the pen gems and then the little sloth hanging from it. Isn't that adorable? And you open it up. It's very well made. It's very nice. I am enjoying this a lot. And then this was a freebie in there. Replace fear with curiosity. And then she has a reward yourself, like a you collect stars and you can get a discount, so a discount program. And this is a little extra that I got. It says shop our website, theplannersworld.com, theplannersworld.com. I'll try to remember to leave the link below. But this one says payday, and then there's a cute little hedgehog and water bill. So that is perfect for me with the little hedgehog and this cute little die cut with the bee and the hive. And this one, which is just too cute. I love it. The sloth is adorable. So then here is this one, and I believe that these are all hand drawn by her. So here is the little bird, and it says Featherby Bills, but I'm going to use this for work from home. I think that's funny, and I think it's hilarious that she's sleeping on the job on some of them. And then mowing the lawn, and I love this one that says weekend, and it has the girl holding her head. It's so cute. And then I got a blonde one too. I'm going to give that one to my daughter. And I got some water the plant ones, and I'm going to actually take some of these off as I'm showing them to you because I need to use some of them. So I'm going to take this one off, and I will use that on my planner because I did that today. And actually I'm just going to go ahead and stick them in here. And this is cute. It says Peekaboo Moxie is the name of the girl sloth, I think. And then here's Mona nail polish. Isn't that hilarious? And then all the nails on the little sloth are that color. Sewing Moxie. Social distancing sloths. Keep calm and wash your hands. Spraying toilet paper, masks. It's really cute. And this one is a cup of Moxie, and it's buffalo plaid coffee cups, buffalo plaid blanket, and a white blanket just kind of cuddled up. And then this one is called Moxie Bunny, and it's the little sloth dressed as an Easter bunny in a basket. And I love this one. It's Moxie and Ginny Binge Watch, and it's got a little lamb and then the little sloth. And this one they have popcorn, and this one is in front of a TV, so you could even write maybe with a white pen what you're watching. And this one was cute, Queen of Hearts. Let's see, this one is, it says gotta wear shades, so it's just the little Moxie, and it looks like she's holding a planner or something in the coffee pot with her sunglasses on. Moxie Hearts. This one looks like the pencil bag that I got. And this one, she's hugging the little llama. And this one's cute too with the little, just kind of comfy. Is that the same as the other one? If it is, I'll give one to my daughter, but I'm not sure if they're the same. I'll have to share. Oh no, they are the same. And this is just a sampler, which is too cute. Has just about everything. Adorable. Superman, trash, hot tub. I don't even know, little chicken thing. Amazon, and there she is poking out over there. Time to stalk the mailman. $2 Tuesday. Really cute. And I got 2 of those. Oh, and then I got this kit, which is adorable. Obviously for Christmas. It's called Happy Holidays. And I just got the mini kit, which I think is 3 different pages. Yes. And they're all really cute. And then this one is Mini Planner Cafe. You did not wake up today to be mediocre. And again, it's 3 pages. There's some little cute stickers down there. I love the days of the week stickers. I don't know, I just think it's a cute kit. And the mini kit is about what I like. Some of them only have 2 pages, and this one is one of them. This is Planners Down Under. And of course, I love all the little varmints. And then there's this page. And this one is Winter Plaid. And I love that because I love that buffalo check. And this one is cute. It is, oh, it doesn't tell you, but it's something like hanging out or something. And it has the little sloth on all the corners and the days of the week. And it's just really cute. I think this one might be for a month because I just saw something that says this month and goals. So I don't know, but I'm going to use it as a mini kit, I think. And I just thought it was too cute to pass up. So I got that one. And then this one is called Hearts and Glitter. And again, it's the mini kit. It came with 2. Love it. And this one is Peekaboo in the Tulips. There's the little dog peeking out through the tulips. And this one is a 3-pager. So that washi's really cute. I like the 3 pages best, I think, because it has these and I like to use those. But honestly, I don't know. I think they're both really cute, the 3-pager and the 2-pager. So I'm happy with both of them. This one looks like it's a 3-pager, and it is Mini Barnyards and Butterflies. Super cute. Magic is believing in yourself. If you can do that, you can do it. You can make anything happen. And then here are the days of the week, and then the washi. And then here is this one, which is Fun in the Park. Little girls playing guitar. There's a little fox reading, maybe to the bird, a little bike. Adorable. I like these colors, these pastels. Super pretty. And then lastly is this one that says a Planner World Noel Decor. And it's just fun little Christmas, I don't know, just decorative stickers. Just really cute. So that is everything I got from the Planner's World. And I am really happy with it. I think that everything is really cute. She had really fast shipping. And even in the state that we're in, I mean, it was super fast shipping and super cute little kits. So I hope that you check her out. Again, it's the plannersworld.com. I'm going to double check that just to make sure I'm telling you right. But like I said, I'm going to try to remember to have it posted below, theplannersworld.com. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. And if you're watching, thank you so much. I really appreciate that you added the extras, Sue. Bye-bye.